Welcome to our channel. My name is Sylvia and I'm a product specialist at Autenti. Have you received an email with a document to be signed and you don't know what to do? Don't worry. I will walk you through the entire process step by step and I will show you how to sign a document using Autenti. Enter your email inbox and open a message from Autenti. We've sent it to you on behalf of the sender of the document. Make sure it's something you're familiar with. You won't find any attachments. In the message, you will only find a link which will redirect you to an individual Autenti page where you can read the content of the document and put your signature. You don't have to open an account or log in. Your signature is legally binding as a declaration of intent. Your identity will be verified based on your email address, optionally on the one-time password. After opening the document, make sure you read it and check if all the details are correct. If everything is fine, put your declaration by accepting Autenti's terms and conditions. Sign button will become active. Now you can sign the document by just one click. You can also sign documents directly from your Autenti platform if you already are a registered user. In order to do that, log into your account. In the main page, you will have all your received documents. Find the one which needs your decision and select Go to Sign. After reading the content of the document, accept Autenti's terms and conditions and click Sign. Done! The document which you just signed will be sent to you after everyone else puts their signatures as well. If you are a registered user, you will also find it on your Autenti account where we will keep it for you. See you in the next video. Do you want to sign a document using advanced electronic signature or a qualified electronic signature? Check out more videos from the Autenti Academy series.